In this video, we're going to go over Section 1231 property, just a quick explanation of what it is. Section 1231 property, or 1231 assets, that's a tax term that refers to depreciable business property that's been held for over 1 year. Now, the types of properties included in Section 1231 are machinery, land, cattle, timber, buildings, natural resources, crops, and leaseholds that are at least a year old. So what Section 1231 does is it kind of allows businesses to get the best of both worlds, so to speak, in regards to the tax treatment if their property falls within that section. Now, it allows taxpayers to have capital gains treatment if they realize a gain on a Section 1231 property, and at the same time it allows the taxpayer to treat any loss on any such property as ordinary loss. Another thing, Section 1231 treatment allows taxpayers to enjoy tax-favored treatment for 1231 property gains, and these are gains that are greater than the losses on these properties or on such property. So basically what it means, as you can see here, this means that an asset could be sold for a value greater than its basis. Then it would be taxed at a capital gains rate, which is lower than the ordinary income rate. But if the 1231 property results in a loss, then the taxpayer can treat it as an ordinary loss, and the loss can actually reduce the taxpayer's taxable income. So coming down, like I said earlier, it gives you the best of both worlds. It allows a favorable tax treatment on a 1231 property, also avoids the negative implications of capital loss treatment. So ordinary losses are 100% deductible, while capital losses are only subject to an annual deduction limitation of $3,000. So if capital losses exceed capital gains by more than $3,000 in any given year, only a maximum of $3,000 can be deducted. The excess loss over that $3,000 has to be carried forward to the following year. Now, there's more explanation here on this actual page. If you want to keep reading, there's a link below in the description that will give you the full article. This is another video from accounting101.org.